Hello everyone. Let's go over the draw panel tools. We start with the swap pan live end tool. Click on the menu button. Then select any pen box to transform it into a live end. Similarly, if you click on a live end, it will be converted into a pen box. Let's choose a tendon with different types of ends. We take this one for example. It has a live end from the top, a dead end from the bottom. Okay. Click on reverse tendon and then select that tendon. As you can see, now the dead end is on top and the live end is from the bottom. If you click again, it will be also reversed. Now the update map tool. This tool updates the map's data after changes are made, such as moving chairs on tendon and others. While some data is updated instantly, other data requires manual updating to avoid system lag caused by immediate updates. So after doing all those changes, just click on Update Map to update all the data. Thank you.